Hello, my name is Galon. I'm a professional photographer and videographer from Europe, currently living in Dominica, the Caribbean. I moved here from Canada for a love of beautiful Caribbean tropical nature. I would like to share with you its beauty the best way I can using drones, macro, time-lapse and other techniques to make it as beautiful as possible for you. As I use different equipment in different ways, I also would like to share with you my tips and comments about equipment and creative techniques of photography and video. I have over 40 years of experience. I won many international awards and medals, and I hope that my knowledge will be helpful to you in improving your skills and giving you more joy. Thank you. Please subscribe. It will help me and you won't miss another of my videos. And please visit my website artphotographyservices.com. You may find it interesting. So what else can I show you? Oh, I know. This is my favorite dog. What do you say? I'm crazy? Maybe you're right.